Looking for a top ductless mini split contractor in Vero Beach, Florida? Meet your new best friend, the friendly and experienced team at AirDocs, the leading ductless mini split installation company in Vero Beach. Did you know the first and most important step to take is to make sure you hire the right ductless contractor? While other contractors may treat your home like a one-size-fits-all situation, the team at AirDocs knows better. They know that homes come in all sizes and layouts, so they'll do 3 important things to ensure your home comfort. Number 1, they'll match the right ductless system to your unique needs. They know that every mini split installation is a custom installation. Number 2, they'll take care to ensure proper placement of your new ductless heating and cooling system. Number 3, you'll get a professional installation by a ductless contractor that has been trained and certified. GREE has a broad selection of ductless mini split systems so you can add comfort to one room, one area, or the whole house. Who will you turn to for your home comfort? The experts at AirDocs, of course. They're a GREE Select dealer, BBB A+ rated, and a featured contractor in the Ductless directory. Get the best ductless system perfectly matched to your needs, backed by the top ductless contractor in Vero Beach. And remember, when trouble knocks, call the docs. Call 772-356-0254.